look here. I'm here.
Last one.
Thank you.
Sir, come together. Take pictures together.
Sir?
Yeah, look here. Arrange sir.
Thank you.
Okay.
1 second.
Hi.
Hi. How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm good.
Good.
Yeah,
Okay, Shivani, tell us about your association with cancer.
So, I think the association is very important because what we're trying to project out there is that early detection is something that is so important, and I think raising awareness for this particular issue is even more important. 60% of breast cancer cases in India are detected in stages 3 and 4, and there's so much that we can do to detect it much earlier in the earlier stages. And the message that we're trying to send out is basically it just takes 2 minutes. So there's absolutely no reason why it shouldn't. Breast cancer is something that's very close to my heart. I know a lot of people that have had it, and I know that it's something that can be prevented if taken the right measures. So I think it's really important, especially for not just younger women, but for older women, not just for older women, but for younger girls as well, to understand that regular checkups should be done. It doesn't take much time. And I think just creating awareness about early detection is the way forward, because it's in our hands. It's something that we can really, really fix, and this is why I wanted to be a part of this, because I do personally feel like it's so important.
जैसे कि एक वीडियो भी बनाया गया है, जैसे कि उन्होंने बोला है, तो उसके बारे में थोड़ा जानना चाहेंगे।
तो वीडियो में मैं फ़ोटो शूट कर रही हूँ। उसमें फ़ोटोग्राफ़र कहता है कि सिर्फ 2 मिनट लगेगा, मेकअप आर्टिस्ट कहती है सिर्फ 2 मिनट लगेगी। तो in those 2 minutes you can check, 2 minutes here, 2 minutes there. If you can give everybody else 2 minutes, why can't we give ourselves 2 minutes? Why can't we look after our own selves in 2 minutes? So we spend so much time during the day doing so much, but it just takes सिर्फ 2 मिनट लगता है. So I think it's really important to spread that message.
आपको लगता है कि इसका एक मैसेज पहुंचेगा?
Sorry?
आपको लगता है कि मैसेज पहुंचेगा इसमें लोगों को?
I hope so. I hope so after this video and today after this press conference. I hope that people understand that this is not just a campaign that celebrities are doing. This is an important message. This is very important.
नेक्स्ट मंथ कैंसर ब्रेस्ट डे भी आने वाला है, उसके बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप?
Sorry?
कैंसर ब्रेस्ट डे भी आने वाला है, तो उसके बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप?
Breast Cancer Day.
Yeah, breast cancer.
Yeah. No. Again, before Breast Cancer Day comes, I think it's important to spread this message. I think everyone needs to watch what we've created so that they understand the importance of what we're doing here. We're not just creating an ad. It's not an ad. It's not a movie. It's not a TV show. It's an important message. So before Breast Cancer Day happens, I really hope that people understand that. Thank you. Thanks.
Bye.
Hi.
Okay, tell us about your association with breast cancer campaign.
you know, when they came up to me for the cause of breast cancer, it was something I really associated with because it runs down in my family. My grandmom had breast cancer. So I think there's still hope for a cure, you know, because it's the only cancer jo ho sakta hai cure. So why not spread more awareness about it and, you know, spread this cause more. So I really identified with it. So I've shot with them for a commercial. And yeah, and October is a breast cancer month. And for women, it's very important that they're aware and they know.
एंड सर आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
बस एज राइटली पुट अप इन द वीडियोज़ ऑल्सो हमने यही कोशिश की कि भी लोगों को एक मैसेज आए, आवाम तक पहुँचे कि 60% ऑफ द ब्रेस्ट कैंसर केसेस आर क्योरेबल, और उसको आप पहले स्टेज पे डिटेक्ट कर लो तो ज़िंदगी बच सकती है. आज भी हमारे यहाँ पे आफ्टर वी हैव द प्रेस रिलीज देयर आर सम ब्रेस्ट कैंसर सर्वाइवर्स. वन ऑफ द लेडी शी वॉज डिटेक्टेड विथ ब्रेस्ट कैंसर अबाउट 16 years बैक, 16 साल पहले, when she is here to talk about it. So it's a thought which we are trying to take it forward. और एक social awareness भी हमारे, आप बम्बई की भाषा में इसको बोलो कि हमारे खुजली है, whatever, to take it forward in the right manner.
एक वीडियो भी बनाया गया है जिसके बारे में
जी.
तो उसके बारे में थोड़ा जानना चाहेंगे किस तरीके का वीडियो है?
So, you know, वीडियो में ये दिखाया गया है कि लाइफ में वी आर सो बिजी दैट वी इग्नोर आवर हेल्थ एट टाइम्स, यू नो, एंड सिर्फ 2 मिनट लगते हैं फॉर अ सेल्फ डिटेक्शन टेस्ट, और घर पर ही हर वुमेन सेल्फ डिटेक्ट कर सकती है. सो इसलिए दैट्स व्हाट द वीडियो इज़ ऑल अबाउट, एंड बेसिकली अवेयरनेस पहुँचे और कोई भी अपनी हेल्थ को इग्नोर ना करे, तो इस बारे में वीडियो है.
कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा उसका? आपको लगता है कि उसका एक मैसेज पहुंचेगा लोगों तक?
I think definitely message पहुंचेगा, and it's a cause. So you know, definitely I think all the videos are very hard hitting. I've not seen the other ones, but I'm sure with the concept they had put forward for my video, it's quite hard hitting. Yeah.
एज यू से कि मतलब जिस तरीके से आज के टाइम में हेल्थ इश्यूज होना शुरू हो गए, स्पेशली किड्स, तो क्या कहना चाहिए? आपको लगता है कि जो बच्चे जो आजकल के जो हैं वो एक्टिविटी से काफ़ी दूर होते जा रहे हैं, चाहे वो रनिंग हो या कुछ और, या आजकल वो गेम की दुनिया में या एक्टिविटी या कुछ भी इस तरीके से?
आई थिंक नहीं, आई थिंक यू नो, एजुकेशन का ऑफकोर्स बहुत प्रेशर है, बट आई थिंक फॉर्चुनेटली स्पोर्ट्स में भी बहुत इंप्रूवमेंट आ रही है. यू नो, दीज डेज पेरेंट्स आर मोर एजुकेटेड एंड दे पुश देयर चिल्ड्रन फॉर स्पोर्ट्स, एंड यू नो, it's just that lifestyle has become so hectic, everybody has become so busy, life is so fast paced, and there's so much of pollution and health scares. Kabhi like chikungunya Delhi mein rise ho gaya, so you know, all these things. And as far as breast cancer goes, you know, simple things we need to know, like as women it's very important to feed your child. You know, kai mothers feed hi nahi karti apne bachchon ko because they feel that unka figure lose ho jayega, but I think it's very important to feed the child, not just for the child but also for the women, because it protects them from breast cancer, because otherwise cancerous cells remain inside your body and वो toxins निकलते ही नहीं बाहर जो feeding से निकलते हैं. So I think if as celebrities we come forward and we speak about it, it's going to help, because I have fed my child and it's very very important to do that.
इसी तरीके से एक रनिंग इवेंट होने वाला है जूनियर मैराथन करके, इसमें बच्चे भाग लेने वाले हैं उनकी हेल्थ इश्यूज से लेके, मतलब इस तरीके से एक एक्टिविटी इवेंट है, बॉलीवुड के काफ़ी सेलिब्रिटीज को सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं. सो व्हाट्स योर टेक ऑन दिस? आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे इसमें?
आई थिंक यू नो, सोशल कॉजेज़ को जितना ज़्यादा सेलेब सपोर्ट करे, इट्स ऑल द मोर, उनको एक आवाज़ मिलती है, एक पहचान मिलती है, एक चेहरा मिलता है. सो ऑडियंस रिलेट कर पाती है, एंड लोग फिर यू नो ऑल द मोर अवेयर होते हैं. स्पेशली लाइक विलेजेस एंड ऑल में तो कोई अवेयरनेस है ही नहीं, यू नो, तो घर घर तक आवाज़ पहुँचे तो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. एंड आई थिंक गवर्नमेंट को भी बहुत सपोर्टिव करना चाहिए ऐसे कॉजेज़ को. थैंक यू.
Really inspiring to be here, and these wonderful 3 women who spoke about their survival. It was very, very inspiring, and I think they deserve a big round of applause. And you know, Mr. Anil Morarka, Aditya, Sagar, and the entire team behind this initiative, it's very, very applaud-worthy, because they are men, and I think they are paying more attention to women's health. Yeah, so it's quite a thing for us that, you know, we should now, it's high time, we should pay attention to our health, and what better than these wonderful videos to educate all the women of India and spread awareness. And I think all the videos were shot really well, and big kudos to the team.
Thank you. Sir, your views, how was your experience? And how did this all come to your mind?
Hi friends, a very warm good evening to you all. First and foremost, जो दिव्या जी ने कमेंट किया, that's a nasty one. You're Shaina ji, am I right?
No, I think she's right.
Well, to be honest, it's about breast cancer awareness. It's not only breast cancer. We are looking at the world on spreading a message on social awarenesses. We did something in past also. By default, 2 of such films went viral. One was the anti-smoking campaign. It was called 11 Minutes. It went off quite well. We had about 7 million views on that. The other one, which is again close to probably Shaina ji's heart also, it is a cause driven by the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Mr. Narendra Modi, the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. We did one film on that also, friends. And trust me, hats off to the team, hats off to Aditya and the boys who have really done up so very well for all this. Just yesterday, my wife gave me a word of caution. Just last night, my friends. She is here, that is, I'm just making this comment before her today. Because every now and then, whenever I go anywhere, she keeps telling me, you avoid me every time. I just don't know why. The fact is, last night she tells me, at 2 o'clock in the night, you know what, you are not looking good, you are not taking care of self. I said, maybe yes. But there is a way of looking at life. As we talk about 2 minutes here for the ladies to take care of themselves, trust me, the men here should also probably listen to me for a minute here. What you got to do is love your family first. Trust me, my friends, love your family first. Take care of yourself, and then probably your business. Things will follow automatically. Thank you so very much.
I have to say that when I came in, I was listening to ma'am there, and then I was listening to this rock star. I think you deserve a standing ovation from all of us. Really, for a woman to triumph like you, I mean, hats off to you. And I think it's your army genes that does it. The entire country is talking about our armed forces. I want to talk about you as a woman in the armed forces and as a survivor of cancer. Please sit, please sit. I think what the star men, Anil Murarka, his brother Manish, Aditya and Sagar, where are you? For persisting. And I remember how I said, what are you doing? Why are you wasting my time? Let's just finish it off and do it fast. I think every minute spent has been well worth it. You have other women here in individual fields, Priya Bapat, Disha Parmar, and of course the fashionista and stunning Shibani. I want to say that it's not just about glamorous faces endorsing a cause which we sometimes want to think about and sometimes not. But I think as Indians we need to realize that women in this country survive and are victims mainly of breast cancer and cervical cancer, and both are curable at the correct stage. So yes, this awareness campaign is extremely important because we can save so many lives. I'd like to applaud the entire team, and genuinely today is the day of the survivors and the people who are spreading the message. Congratulations.
Very well said, ma'am. Thank you so much. Over to you.
I don't have anything to say right now because I'm really touched after listening to your stories. It is indeed very inspiring, and I think I'm very proud and happy today that I'm a part of this. I really have no words. If my one video can make a difference, if it can reach out to few thousand, few hundred people, and if few women decide to change themselves, and if they decide to, look at themselves at least once in a day, I think we are the winners. And I'm very happy if people do that. So I'm very happy to be associated with this cause, and thank you so much for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you so much.
I think everything has been said now. There's nothing left to say. But definitely, kudos to the team for doing this and creating so many videos, trying to spread the awareness with the people. And all I can say is that I'm very happy to be here with you, all you inspirational women. And thank you very much for having me. I'm really happy to be a part of this. Thank you.
Thank you. Shivani. So first of all, I'd like to say thank you to the three fabulous women that shared their stories. I think you're so brave, and I think that you're incredibly strong women. I think Shaina is right. This is not about people in the glamour industry endorsing a cause. It's about spreading a message, and I think that message is early detection, and it's so, so important. This is a cause that's close to my heart because my Masi in Australia was given a free test. Because she was over the age of 50, she was given a free mammogram. Before that, she had never bothered to even have a breast check. At the age of 50, when she was given that mammogram, the first stage of cancer was detected. It was just a freak coincidence that someone had offered it to her. She's been cancer-free for 9 years, and that was a huge wake-up call, I think, for everyone around her. I don't know how it works in India, I'm not really aware, but I know that in Australia, from an early age, maybe 15, 16, breast checks are a normal habit for young girls. It's something that we do on a yearly basis. When I first moved to India, I was shocked at the level of attention that was paid to even a cause like cervical cancer, which is so easily detected. I think there was a message out there that if you're not sexually active, then you don't really need to be tested for any kind of cervical cancer, and that's not true. So I think cervical cancer, breast cancer, checking for these, preventing them, trying to detect them in an early stage, it's not just about creating beautiful videos, which we've done, but it's the message behind it. And I think the entire team that's worked so tirelessly and effortlessly to create awareness, and I like to say that the team is mainly made up of men. And I think that's so incredible that they've taken their time out, their hard work, to spread this message to women all over the country. So if you see these videos, share them. If you can, spread the message verbally, but let young girls, let older women know that for everyone, getting checked is crucial. It's vital to your health. Yes, being happy is a huge part of it. Yes, looking after your family and being a great person is also a huge part to play. But getting regularly checked is so, so important. And I think that if these videos are able to help people do that, then half the battle is already fought. So thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Aditya, I know you've spoken already, but any last thoughts?
Thank you. I think just to share the stage with this, all these amazing women, and thank you very much for doing this for us. I think we've talked about men. There's a lady in our team who actually conceptualized this. Unfortunately, she's on a shoot today called Sumedha. So I think she's the one who actually put it together. So kudos to her as well to put together this. So behind all our men at Ordikau, that was a lady's thought. So I just wanted to clarify that. I lost my father because of cancer. And so the entire perspective of cancer still, when you hear cancer, and obviously you don't want to lose anybody who's near and dear to you with the bad C word. But I think just by doing a little bit will be great. And I think joining us is one of the India's biggest brands called Facebook, who's come on board with this. And I just want to say that after a long time, you've seen people changing their display pictures, paying a tribute to Paris attack, but now Facebook has given us an option this month to change our display picture with the pink ribbon, with the entire thought process of detect to defeat. And thus, if you do that, all that we do is change our display picture and get people to be aware of the fact that a simple 2-minute test that you can really detect to defeat. So thank you to Facebook as well, apart from all these amazing women, for coming on board for a cause like this. Thank you.
Thank you, Aditya. Thank you for introducing the detect to defeat and bringing it all together. Mr. Murarka.
Well, I'm too small to say anything in front of such stalwarts. मैं इतना ही कहूँगा कि ब्रेस्ट कैंसर की जब बात चली, हम सभी को ये समझना चाहिए कि आज हमारा जो एग्जिस्टेंस है एक औरत की वजह से, हम मर्दों का, बिकॉज हमें पैदा करने वाली एक औरत है जो हमारी माँ है, तो इनकी इज़्ज़त करें. और मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली जो भाई साहब ने, आदित्य जी ने और सभी ने, आप लोगों ने जो यहाँ दर्शाया है, मैं इतना ही कहूँगा कि ये आप हर जगह स्प्रेड करें. जितने लोगों को, मैं भाई साहब से ये अर्ज करूँगा कि मैं अपनी बिटिया जो है, बड़ी वाली मेरी दीपांजलि, भाभी मेरी जो सामने बैठी हैं, एंड माई वाइफ शीना, ज़रूर उनका टेस्ट करवाएं ताकि हमें एक पता चल जाए कि भाई क्या चीज़ है, जस्ट एज यू सेड एज अ प्रिकॉशनरी मेजर, यू नो. सो मैं ज़्यादा समय आपका नहीं लूँगा, एंड आई एम रियली थैंकफुल टू ऑल ऑफ यू गाइज, इवन द प्रेस एंड एवरीबडी आउट हियर फॉर स्पेयरिंग देयर वैल्यूबल टाइम and really creating an awareness. So I think every woman is important in India, abroad, any part of the world. So आप लोग हैं तो हम हैं. Thank you.
Thank you. Once again, a huge round of applause for all of them here. All right, do we have any questions? Does anyone want to ask any questions?
I think we're done.
We're done? All right, thank you. Thank you. A quick photograph.
Looks like, and as you grow older,
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, please take the photograph. We can have the photographs taken.
Yeah, everyone look center.
Ladies and gentlemen, while all of us
Yeah,
are busy
center.
building a beautiful life for ourselves and our loved ones on most days, it's days like these that help us build a beautiful nation. A nation where we talk about things that matter. Things that are only talked behind closed doors. Things that will take a few minutes to make every other minute beautiful. Thanks for taking a time out once again, and let's detect a defeat. We have a gentleman here who will explain us how can...
A huge round of applause to Sagar ka team.
Hello, just 30 seconds of your time. The post is pinned, so you just have to type, try it, and use it as profile picture. It's as simple as that. 3 steps. Thank you.
You all of you. I'm at center.
There are snacks laid outside. Guys, you can go out, proceed, and have some snacks. Thank you. Once again, thank you everyone for being here.
For more news and gossips, don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Helpline.